guys. So I was just making a video. I was just watching YouTube until I was looking outside and I found these. Now, so what do you guys think about these? But they lifted before everything. Also, it might take a while for me to record again, like actual games, because I accidentally did a soft restart on my Xbox, and I kind of lost all my progress. So yeah. So we might get that when me and my dad get that fixed, because it's his Xbox. I might actually start posting again. So I'm just giving you guys a heads up, because if I'm not recording, also, my other parent / my mom has work to do, and she is just, I might have to post later in the day, or I might not post at all for the day, because I'm trying to limit myself from posting, but also I'm trying to post as much as I can. So tonight, I'm going to show you my new account, so you can add me. And yes, I will keep that account, because it's going to be making me start over and doing the things that I need or want, because actually I am doing
Attached it to my computer screen. You told me that you just had groceries unloaded, and I messaged you, so class is about to start back up.
Don't worry about the back end.
But no one else.
But so I might post I'm gonna try to post I'm gonna post as late as I can. If I don't, that just means I'm too lazy to record. But I'm not really well, I really need my videos to be done, because I just need 5 more views until I get to 2,000. I have 33 views, so if we can try to make that go to 40, and then after that make it go to 50, and then half of that, which is half of 100, which means 50, and then double that 50 into 100, because I'm gonna make a new channel at 100 subscribers. That is Storm Spotter 047 or Twisted Lovers 18147 or Twisted Chaser. Also, while I recover my account, I am going to start. I'm gonna start. Start whatever. But I'm going to start a new legacy and twist it on that account. And it's my very own account, so which means I get to choose the maturity. But yeah. So that means I have a new start on 99 Nights, but I don't really play that anymore anyway. So what's the point of playing 99 Nights anyway? But Twister X, I could just restart because I didn't really do anything on that. Just I won't have as much money. And then, after that, I'm going to go, somewhere. Also, please like and subscribe. I really need to get a like and subscribe today because I haven't gotten a single view, comment, subscribe, or subscriber, or even a like. Now, if I did, make sure to comment. I'll pin the comment. I think you can only pin one or two? I'm not sure, but I will comment back. Like, if you comment, if you start to comment or anything, I'll reply. And then if you say hey, nice vid, I'll go yo, thanks for watching and I'm glad you liked it, kind of like that person that said nice. And then don't mind the person, Jimmy and Yanni. He's just my friend from school, and he does not know how to respectfully do any of that. Respect, honest, just for respect. No rude. I'm not being rude. With all due respect. But I'm going to tonight, while I keep recording, I am going to record. I might post videos about my food, honestly. See how you guys rate it. If it gets at least 19 likes, it means it looks bad. But if it's 50 likes, it's decent. If it's at 100 likes, it's good. But at 150 likes, you guys really like it. And then comment how you think would be. But yeah, anyway, I'll do here soon. I'm gonna do filters and stuff. The YouTube filters, and yeah, because I can only do YouTube filters, sadly. But if I do, I'm gonna allow comments. You guys better comment, because if you don't, you already know the comment. And Outrage Kid my profile is going to see you at night, and yep, my character will see you. And how about I say electrocute you and scare you to death? Maybe not to death, but until you pass out, because I don't want to be violent. And then my profile will be under your bed. I'm just kidding. I don't know why, whenever it's near night, I get more crazy and energetic than I do in the morning. But later, is it? What day is it again? Saturday, 7/13, Saturday, January 10th. Hey, I just realized, maybe after school days, I could just record how I am doing. like how my day was at school and tell you everything that's gone on. Like, I think on Thursday, one of my classmates kept telling someone to shut up, and then they kept going, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up to everyone. Yeah. But if you guys think these funnel clouds are decent, like or subscribe or comment. I'm not the boss of you, but do any of it. Also, for those who don't know what a tornado interceptor is, it doesn't matter if I'm in. Don't look. Don't ask why it just says everything, like mainly gas or communication settings for Roblox anyway. Interceptors. Well, you guys heard of the Suan Piercer. There was a movie called Interceptor. Wait, let me do tornado interceptors. Okay. How much did the TIV 1 in 2002 is around 81K. Dang. TIV 2 and Dominator 3, but I'm pretty sure it's also with the tornado interceptors. Well, here is the TIV 2 from Sean Casey. There's IMAX, created by an IMAX. There's the IMAX. Titus, Dominator, Dorothy, and Armadillo, TIV 2, fictional Windbreaker. Wait, the Windbreaker is a real interceptor? Dominator 1. I don't know what version, 2012. There's Dominator 271. There's the original TIV 2 when it wasn't abandoned. The TIV 4, I don't know. The TIV 3, apparently, that is the TIV 3 right now. Like, that's what it's gonna be like. The narrow angled cabin, 4x4 dually 4 flaps, Baja kit, which are 6 angled spikes, which are better. A windbreak, escape hatches, obviously. But the TIV 3, the closest thing we had to the TIV 3 is the Titus. The Titus is the closest thing we have to the TIV 3. Because it looks like the TIV 3. It would look like a TIV. Like this, I want it to be my wallpaper, but nothing would let it do it. The tornado cannot accelerate. So tornado intercept vehicles, so TIV 2, there's 2024, but I want cinnamon roll. There is the shocks and stuff for TIV 1. TIV 4 might be better. So the TIV 4 is basically just gonna be an original tank with so apparently, yeah, just with spikes, I guess. Cybertruck Dominator 4. Ew. 0 to 60, so 5-second deployment, and it has a front flap noise. Hydraulic pumps that dig into the ground. Okay, we didn't need to know that timer was in there. Reflected mirror view, or whatever. Triple something. Carries 4 probes, the max probes. Sliding stead power. So apparently that's the Cybertruck TIV, actually. But that just says Dominator 4, not TIV. TIV 4 into ball. That is not the TIV 4. Tornado TIV 4. The Dominator 4. Yeah. But I want to see if there's going to be a future strong one. Like, I think the TIV 4, like the TIV 3 is going to be like in 4. Like, the TIV 1 is going to be like an actual tank that can go anywhere. Like, yeah, that looks like it. That looks... So you could see it kind of looks like one of those armored trucks with like 6-inch armor. And then a turret, they might cut those out and to make it a turret. And then put spikes on the bottom at least. And the TIV 4 might actually survive more than 250. Yeah, this might be the new TIV 4. I hope I don't have to actually get the app. Okay. Not now. Apparently, that's the new TIV 4. First of all, who would do the Dominator 6-7? It's over. It's 2026. Well, okay, so, Dominator, I think that's original with the scratches and stuff. Dominator 3, where is Dominator 2? Oh, they're all of them together. Dominator 1, Dominator 2, and Dominator 1, Dominator 3, and Dominator 2. And apparently this is at least the Dow. This is as much as the Dow. But like I said last time, I will try to get my account back. Dominator 2 looked at. TIV 2, you could see all of those. SRV Dominator 3. That's the SRV version. Not normal. So the normal Dominator 3 is like not even close to that normal one. Chaser, Tornado, Sean Casey, Dodger. So apparently there's gonna be a new owner of the TIV because Sean Casey went to go somewhere else. But if you go into AI mode, it'll tell you more. So it has not been officially built, but the Sean Casey, the creator of the TIV Lineage, well, the search after the TIV 3 often leads to Dominator 3. They might make the Dominator 4 that can actually go for an intercept. Six users often use TIV 3 interchangeably with the third generation Dominator. Here it is, current 2026 capabilities. Not bad. A 2012 Ford F350 Super Duty with a 6.7 liter power stroke, V8 turbo diesel. Oh, the armor that's actually pretty strong armor for 16 gauge steel shell covered for Kevlar based plentifully coating for impact resistance. That's pretty good. Airbag suspension, hydraulic anchoring spikes, windows with double window Lexan, I think. Polycarbonate panels for like 350K. 360-degree visibility. Would you like to know more about the upcoming 2026 Storm season schedule for the Dominator team or the details for the original TIV 2's current location? Well, that is it, guys. I will see you guys again. I don't want brightness. I hate the brightness. Yeah, there we go. Okay, guys. I am done recording for today. Hope you like it. Also, make sure to get ISCN. Oh wait, guys. I kind of forgot something. I forgot about the newer interceptors, like the Armadillo. And other new interceptors. So, yep, the Armadillo. Okay. Yeah, so it features a 6.7 liter diesel engine with a potential propane injection for a high-speed response up to 100 miles an hour. So, I mean, I don't really like propane. Well, to heat up a house, yeah, but stability with the pneumatic spike system, 2 angled front spikes, 2 rear back sides and side spikes to anchor into the vehicle during a direct hit. Dominator 5 to debut in 2026 alongside the new rocket and drone deployment systems, which is pretty good. And the TIV-1 Return, my favorite. The original TIV-1 found in 2020 after being abandoned, currently undergoing a full restoration by Robert Clayton. As of late 2025, it's been stripped of excess weight, and its stabilizing claws are being refurbished for future research use. Now, okay, well, we didn't get to those new ones, so I guess I will see you guys here soon. If I could stay up, if not late. So I'll just talk to you when I get the chance to.